Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 45B1U6900CH curved SuperWide monitor. So friend, it combines two desktop and webcam in one setup, and this monitor is equipped with a large 44.5-inch screen with 5120 x 1440 resolution and several other features that are designed to aid professionals multitasking, such as 5 megapixel webcam, USB Type-C docking with RJ45, 32 gem 9 super wide screen and curvature of 1500R with viewing angles of 178 by 178 degrees. And friend, the Philips 45B1U6900CH 44.5-inch screen and 32 gem super wide ratio allows professionals to easily open multiple windows on one large screen surface and have an extra wide perspective for viewing video content. And the monitor's curved VA panel provides wide 178 by 178 degree viewing angles for crisp, high contrast imagery and overall more immersive experience. And friend, it is optimized for a better video experience, and this monitor is equipped with a noise cancelling microphone and built-in 5 megapixel webcam for high quality meeting videos. And friend, if I talk about pricing, it is available for purchase at a price of 1029.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.